स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे एक्सप्लेन 3 टेक अवे फ्रॉम ट्रम्प एज PM मोदी डिड नॉट कॉल ओवर ट्रेड डील रिमार्क। हावर्ड डुटकिंस remarks point to growing unpredictability in India. US ties as the two sides negotiated a trade deal. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has effectively blames India for the delay in hard negotiated trade deal, triggering a spirited diplomatic debate and offering freeze folder for social media on the increasingly hot blow called India-US relationship. Lutnick said on the broadcast that India ended up on the wrong side of the seesaw despite the deal being set up. That Prime Minister Narendra Modi should have the dialed President Donald Trump, whom he described it as the ultimate closer, and that New Delhi's discomfort with the proposal ultimately led to the agreement flatterings between the two strategist partners. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has effectively blamed India for the delay in hard negotiated trade deal, triggering spirited diplomacy debate and offering freeze holder and social media on the increasingly hot blow called India-US relationship. Lutnick said on a podcast that India ended up on the wrong side of the seesaw despite the deal being made. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi should have dealt President Donald Trump, whom he described as the ultimate closer, and that New Delhi's discomfort with the proposal ultimately led to the agreement flattering between the two strategist partners.